Good morning to you all. So today in this class we will discuss about the law of demand and law of supply. And these topics, they are very practical in our real life, and it is very important, also very interesting. So all of you please listen carefully. Okay, so first of all, what is law of demand? When we talk about law of demand, it means that whenever the price of a goods or quantity in the market is decrease, and then the demand of the consumer is increased, and then when the price of a quantity or good in the market is increased, then automatically the demand of the consumer is decreased. Okay, and then this law, it has a relation with the price. Okay, whenever price is increased, it decrease, and then if the price is decreased, then the demand is increased. Okay, and then law of supply. Law of supply also, it has a relation with the price. Okay, law of supply, whenever the price of the products is increased, and then those supplier, they supply more and more commodity, more products to the market. Okay, and then when the price of a commodity is decreased, they supply less products or commodities to the market. Okay, so both of these laws, they are having a close relation with the price. Thank you.